Actually, I want to learn how to pray.
Here.
Because I convert 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks ago. But when I go mosque, I only follow them. And when I'm alone, I turn on the YouTube. Because I don't know how to pray exactly. I'm very sick, but so that's why I come here.
Do you know ablution?
Wudu? Oh yeah, I know how to wudu, but can I run?
Okay, you will repeat.
Yes, I want to
And
repeat.
I'll
Yes,
also
I want
do,
to learn.
okay?
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
So let's go for wudu.
Yeah, let's go to wudu. So, what is the meaning of wudu?
Wudu means in English ablution.
Ablution.
Before prayer, we must do wudu, must be clean.
Before pray, in
Before
front
pray,
of Allah.
Yeah, before pray, yeah.
Slip
Sandals, slippers.
Yes.
Take slip.
Okay, thanks.
I also because.
So many people
Yeah.
sent me message. Congratulations, brothers.
That means you are going live.
I'm so happy. Many people congratulate. So this is place of wudu.
In wudu, 4 things are
Major.
First one is washing the face.
Washing the
Whole
face.
face.
Whole face.
Hanbon.
Hanbon.
Second thing is washing elbow, the hands
Yes.
to the elbow.
Yes.
Minimum 1. And then we have to do touch. We have to touch our head after we make it wet. Okay. And then wash our leg to the heel until heel. You know. This is the measure of wudu. If you don't have time, you're busy, then you just do like wudu like this. But wudu,
If you have time?
Yeah, if we have time and we want to do complete wudu, then at first we will wash our hand.
Hand.
Okay.
Yes.
Then take some water and do gargle. 3 more.
3 more.
Then take again water, enter into our nose, and by our second hand, left hand, we do like this.
3 times.
3 times. And we will wash our face 3 times, whole face. From here to the cheek,
Yes.
and from here to the hair. Total face. After finishing face, we will wash our hands. 3 more.
3 more.
After finishing that, we will take water and throw.
Sure.
And this is our weighty hand, isn't it? Then we do masa. It's called masa. Move again.
Move.
Then put the shahada, finger of shahada. Okay? And you look, follow me. Okay? Yes. Then this thumb up. Okay? Finish. Wash our legs. Three times.
3 times.
Okay?
I
We
think.
start.
Yes, I think I don't remember. Okay, let's do it step by step.
Yeah.
Okay. So first is clean my hands.
Yeah. Okay. Then take some water
Take some water.
and do gargle. Okay?
Okay.
Then we will take some water, put inside of the nose. After entering the water,
This. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
3 times, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will wash our face 3 times.
5 times.
Now we will take water like this. Follow me. And do.
Oh, not easy.
Yes. Start from here and then, okay? Follow me again. One more time. 3 more. Okay. And then.
One left hand.
Yes. Both of the side, okay? Both of the side.
Both outside.
Okay. If some of the place is dry, wudu will be incorrect. That's why we have to carefully. We have to make it weighty. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The all parts of
all
arms.
parts. Okay.
Face, arms,
Exactly.
every part.
Major important parts are face, hand, both hand. This is not wash. This is for only touch, you know. And leg also. Okay?
Leg also. Wow.
So we will take some water. Okay, throw. Okay, throw. Okay. Do like this. Follow me. Okay. Then come back with your. Yes. Okay. Come back. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now we will put our shahada.
Shahada.
Okay. And both of the hand we will make around. Okay. Yeah. Somebody said okay, touching also. Somebody touching the neck. Somebody don't touch. Okay.
Okay.
It's matter. We finish.
Finish.
Just we will wash.
Wash legs.
Okay. Legs. This is very easy.
Yes, it is easy.
But when we wash the leg, we will do hilala like this. Okay. Then the water will reach to the each of the parts and each of the corners. You know.
Yeah.
And our part will be not dry. Okay. Three more. Okay. You are doing very good.
Thank you.
Really. Left. Yeah. And it can be by your left hand because this is.
Left hand.
Yeah. Islam is easy, you know.
Yeah, easy.
Not for. Okay. Now, if you can see to the sky, look to the sky, then look to the sky and do like this. Ashhadu an la ilaha.
Ashhadu an la ilaha.
Like this. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Wa
ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
This is kalima shahada.
Yes, shahada.
If you read this, then Allah will open the 8 doors of Jannah for you. This is fadilat.
Jannah, paradise.
Paradise. Okay, our wuzu is finished.
I feel really
We are now
clean. Very clean.
clean
Muslim.
and we can do worship, do anything. Okay.
I think Muslims are very clean. Every people so clean. Wash every day 5 times.
Yeah, 5
Actually,
times.
people wash 1 or 2 times in a day, but Muslims wash 5 times.
5 times minimum.
Wow, 대박. Okay. So
let's go to
pray. I feel very clean now.
Really?
Yes, pure
Clear,
body.
pure.
I think if you wash your body also clean, but your soul also make clean.
Exactly.
Wow.
Because soul is affected by body.
Yes.